What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jeremy, this is Jeremy. Today on the channel I'm going to be showing you guys an unboxing of my new Apple accessories. I usually have never been a person that was really into like name brand things, but as I've been doing research in order to upgrade my content on my channel and my platform, I really learned a lot about the iPad and the accessories that came with it, and I got really interested in buying one. As I looked more into YouTube and also online and many reviews, I realized that a lot of people were purchasing the new iPad Pro, the 2020, and I think it's like 11 inches or something like that. But basically, I decided against that because I felt like it was a waste of money. Which is why I decided to go ahead and get the iPad Air, the newest model. This is the latest model. This is a 10.5 inch in the gold color. It's actually like a rose gold color, and I'm obsessed with this. I've already been using it for a couple of days now. I also got the first generation pencil because honestly the only thing that came extra with the second generation Apple Pencil was the fact that you can like magnetize it to charge, which is really nice because I also worry that it being plugged into here it will break, but it's not really the biggest deal. The battery life lasts forever, so I don't really charge it that much, and so I didn't feel like spending the extra money on it was worth it. And then of course I got the first generation Apple Airpods. Let's go ahead and show you guys the unboxing process and how it looked like when I got all of my items, and then we'll catch up in the end of this video to show you guys the reason why I purchased these products. So beautiful. Let's open this bad boy up. It's gorgeous. Then we're gonna add in our liquids, so our tomato sauce and our sofrito. Alright, as you guys can see, I got the latest model of the iPad Air. This is the 2020 model and the 64GB. I also got the first generation pencil, like I mentioned before, and I honestly feel like this is the best package to get because you're saving yourself so much money. If you want a little bit more like memory, obviously you can step up a little bit. You're gonna spend a couple hundred more. I just didn't really need that much because I honestly am gonna be deleting things as soon as I use them, or just store them like in the clouds. I've seen so many videos online basically talking about the new iPad Pro. There's so many people purchasing it and using like Procreate and those kind of things, which is honestly the reason why I got this, because I do want to be more creative on my channel. I recently got back into drawing and doing artwork, but using a sketchbook and having to scan it to your computer in order to put it on my video or my website is just an added work amount that I don't need in my life. And so I decided to go ahead and purchase this because I wanted to start, one, creating more artwork, and then two, using art and things that I create in my own videos and on my platform. One thing that happens a lot when you're creating content online is obviously when you're using fonts and music that other people created, is that sometimes those things happen to get copywritten in the long run, and then your videos that you made like months or years before end up getting taken down or flagged because you have copywritten material in them. And so to prevent that, I obviously wanted to make my own fonts and my own like creations and put them on my videos, use them for my social media and obviously my website. And so the iPad makes life so much easier, and I don't have to actually like draw it on paper, scan it, then redraw it on my computer. It's just like a one fits all. Everything's in here. I could just upload it. I also wanted to do the Apple family because I'm able to just airdrop things versus having like a Microsoft tablet, or I've seen like those tablets that you can draw and connect to your computer and then you like draw on the computer screen. I feel like that would be much more complicated. Also, I don't really like looking at my computer all the time, and obviously like these are all like first world problems, but honestly I just wanted to make my life as simple as possible because editing videos, creating recipes, making blog posts is a hassle all in itself. So having to add more work to that, I just wasn't wanting to do that process at all. So I decided to go ahead and do the easy route, and I'm really excited because I have many more videos to show you guys in regards to my artwork and what I'll be doing on this iPad, and a special project that is coming very soon. So I'm gonna stop talking here, and if you guys want to see more of what I'm gonna be doing with this iPad, also if you want to hear about that project that I'm working on, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below. And be sure to follow me on Instagram because I usually post things there before I post them on the YouTube. So make sure you guys follow me at La Comida Jeremy. All my social medias are the same. My website is lacomidajeremy.com. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Take care y hablamos ahorita.